We're in, guys! We got it! It took me a while, but I kind of finally got the karma score for it, and I'm in! Now, I'm pretty sure you spawned back. As for this, I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing, and I have no idea what I'm gonna face. So, pretty much a normal day. So I know I didn't do a lot, but did you go over there? Is that? Wait, what are these? What are they? Sorry, what are these? I think I saw these as like a food source. I just throw a rock at them and they open. I don't want to throw something at them. Wait, can I? Can I like? No? Okay, I have no idea how to do it then. Now, this is weird. So I think I have to go down here. Maybe. Oh, wait, there's another space. Okay. Oh, it's a safety bunker. Fun times. Oh, I need food. So, I need food. And if I don't get food, I'm gonna die, which would be really bad. I don't know how to do this. I threw something at it. Wait, so I throw that, and then... Oh no, my spear! I need that. Oh, that's absolutely torturous. It's really good. I need a spear. So what I need... Where is it? Wait, invisible. There it is. Ah! Well, that's bad. Jump! Ah! Ah! No! Ah! Did I go back? No! That's horrible. Okay, so this time I'm gonna put bats. And I'm gonna go bats immediately. I don't know why I do that. I keep thinking I do it. Okay, so we're gonna go up here, we're gonna go up here, we're gonna go up here. Ooh, a spirit. Oh, that's not good. Why is there two? That's... Come here. I need a spear though. There's bats over there. Is he good? He wants to fight me, doesn't he? Haha, take that. I'm not fighting you. Haha. It's attacking him. Yes. Oh, he's still following me. Run. Okay. Oh! That was insanely close. Go up. I need bats. There's another one. Wonderful. Why is the lizard up there? Haha, he's trying to get me from here. I got one. I just have to eat them. Could you guys, like, come over here? Oh, that's bad. He's gonna keep damaging himself. Come over here, guys. Oh, that's horribly bad. That's... Idiot. Come over here. Come down here, I dare you. Come over here. I feel like bats outsmarting you is not a good thing, but they're not outsmarting me. Come up here. Can't get it. Oh, jeez. Run, run. This is why I have a spear. Oh, I thought it was going. Oh, jeez. So it's not gonna come yet, but it's really close. No, go up. Oh, jeez. Come over here, bats. I need food. And I can't eat lizard. Come over here. Come down here. Okay. Why are there multiple of you guys? Come over here. Just because I'm a slug cat does not mean anything. Slug cats are actually safe. I need a bat. Come over here. Come over here. That lizard is absolutely trying to kill me. But it's okay. We're fine. Everything's okay. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. Everyone. Ah, I was so close. Stop leaving. Come over here. Come over here, bat. Come on. There's another one. There's one. Come up here. No. I'm not good at this. It's gonna rain before I do anything. I can't do that to my credit score. I need food. Everyone is done. Oh, jeez. They're doing it again. I'm probably just outsmarting it immensely. Come over here. Come down here. Where'd the lizard go? Oh, he went in his hole. That does not mean good things. It's gonna rain, isn't it? I'm taking the bats down with me. Come over here. Oh, that's horribly bad. Okay. Chomp. Come on, eat it. Time to run. I'm jumping over you, you idiot. Come on, go! Faster! This is bad. This is horribly bad. Hey, come in. Go! Ah! I'm just gonna die anyway. That's horrible, no. Oh, jeez. Okay. This time there better be that. Either that or we go up against that thing again. Which is not a good idea. I'm gonna do anyways. Bats! I mean, it has one bat. I don't know if it's multiple. Yes. Come over here, I dare you. Oh, there's another one. Oh, why are there so many? Everyone is done. I'm guarding this. Don't try me, I'm gonna get you. I'm eating your brother in front of you. Come over here. Don't come over here. Unless you want to die. Oh, so close. Oh, jeez. Come over here. Yes, I got one. Okay. So close. Oh, God. I knew he was gonna go in there anyways. Come over here. Chomp. I wouldn't mind getting extra. Oh, so close. Oh, yes. Now, it may not look like there's any bats, but there are bats. They sure do exist. No, stop it. Come here. Oh, I already got. Okay, I accidentally grabbed one. I just need one more. Come here. I got it. Haha, take that, stupid thing. Thinking that you can do anything. Everyone is done. Time to go sleep. I got a bunch of bats. So I like really close and I get in. And my credit score will go up. Are they key to get animation? It was wonderful. I don't need a spear, not when I'm hunting something. Well, I do like to go try and kill lizards. I don't think that's a good idea right now, especially because I'm almost there. I realized I couldn't. Okay, that's... Oh, no, this isn't right. Because they only go to one. Everyone is... Oh, I do need a spear though if I'm moving out here. Just in case. Don't look at me like that, stupid. I am getting this spear for very specific reasons. And the specific reasons happen to be over here. Yeah, follow me. Hey, no, follow me, idiot. No, come over here. Look at me, I'm over here. I'm going over here. Look at what you can't do. Go in there. Yes, wonderful. Before it comes back. I can't get over there to see it, huh? To get berries. Okay. But I grabbed it. Oh, that's good. I tried to grab it. The other thing over here because he's being a little distracted right now. No, he's not. He's over there. Okay. Come on, bats. Come on. I think I just saw something I was not supposed to see. So many bats. Yes, come over here. I dare you. Come over here. Oh, that's not good. I'm not going over there until I get bats. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Jump. Grab the spear. Go there. I thought it was a spear. I was wrong. Wait, I want to grab a spear though. Just in case. Like, what if it wants to come down here? What if they follow me? I mean, no, I think they will because I think they just know that I'm down here now and that they have no chance. Already going back. All I needed was one bat, even though I really wanted to get more, but whatever. Oh, I'm missing one. Shoot! Okay. I just wasted time. Okay. That's not good. I wasted time, I wasted time, I wasted time, I wasted a lot of time. Okay. That's really close though. And you can be close. Oh, that's not good. That means there's a thing up. Oh, that's horrible. They're up here. They fight each other. No, do that. No, fight each other. Fight each other. See how that turns out. There's 3 of them. Oh my God. Run. Oh, wonderful. There's still one over here. No, I'm gonna go back over here. It's gonna be right there. Yep, okay. I need to catch a bat. A single bat. Oh, that's bad. Oh God, he's gonna get me. Stupid. Grab, yes. No, what? No, I grabbed. Come here. Ah, shoot, I missed. Oh shoot, I need that. Stupid. This is really stupid. Okay, it's even faster than me. Oh, wonderful, there's another one. Stop it, come here. I got it. Yes.
You killed a lizard?
No, I got a bat.
Oh, well, the lizard's coming up.
I know that.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
I know. There's actually 3 of them. I don't know where the other one went.
Do you think it'll follow you there?
They can. I've seen them. Huh?
Well, let's just wait. Let's just wait there.
No, I have to go. The storm's gonna start soon.
Oh yeah, the storm. I hate the storm. Why do you always have to hibernate during the storm?
Because it'll kill you, you don't. And if I don't go now, because I just got my last piece of food that I need.
Eat the food then.
I should do that. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Bah. It was really close.
No.
I love it. And then we're gonna go up a karma score, and then I can go.
Wait, how many? Oh, you have 1 more after this.
No, this is all I need, and then now I can go through the thingy, and then we can finish.
Come on. Alright. We almost finished the game.
Well, not the game, just this.
The survivor mode?
No.
The tutorial?
Yep. I don't know if this is the tutorial, but this is the first stage. I'm gonna call it stage. But like, this is the first stage, so...
Follow the one I got.
I don't know what he's a lizard. He's not a lizard.
He's a lizard!
No, he's not a lizard.
Kill it! Wrong!
He's not a lizard. I worded my words wrong. He's not a lizard. I tried to say worm, but I was so used to saying lizard. Oh, great.
Okay, just go.
Before it finds me.
Fine. Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Go down and put.
So it's gonna go right there, and I'm gonna go over here.
Wee, bro. You're using the grinding rails from Fortnite.
No.
Are you the guy from Fortnite who uses a grind whale?
Why is there a red lizard
A
over there?
what one?
Oh, those are the most dangerous ones.
Oh, it's coming for you.
They can also climb pipes. So
What?
yeah, I'm just gonna have to run for my life. Oh, great. It's just wonderful.
Oh my God! It could be. What are you doing?
Run!
Oh, there's another one coming from there.
Oh my God.
Ah!
Oh my goodness, they're gonna fight each other. It said fight each other.
Okay, I think the red one. Oh gosh, there's more.
The red one's over there. They can climb.
The vines?
Yes, they can climb everything. Okay.
Okay, they're all gone. Oh, nope, the red one's still there.
If I can get past the red one, then I think it'll be fine. There's a fruit. I need that.
Do the berries get 2? Give you 2?
And they give you 3.
Oh. So all you need is like, why'd you throw your stuff?
Because I need to be able to grab it.
All you need is just all one.
I need my spear though. Chomp. Oh, it knows that I stole. It knows that I stole. Okay. Wait, what one? Oh, that's horribly bad. I really hope there's bats. Because if not, this is going to be horribly bad. Since it knows where I am. I know. Going down here, there's no bats. Wonderful. Okay, we're going to have to go over there. Wasting time right now, which is not good, but... Truthfully, I don't know why I do that, but... Yeah, I have a spear just in case. That just flash red? I'm sorry. No. The red lizard is not coming over here, right? Oh, no. Nothing's coming over here yet. Except maybe the green one might. Okay, we good? I know it's gonna be over here, but... Yep. Stupid lizards. Oh, that's horribly bad. Just don't go for it. Oh, there's a purple one. Wonderful. Come over here, I dare you. You can't come over here, exactly. Ah! Oh, that's bad. Please, you wanna go for it? Please. Oh my god, it's right here. I'm coming. I need bats before this thing starts. Okay. That was close. They're all over there. Oh god, this is really bad. This is horribly bad. Oh no! Shoot! That's horribly bad. Okay. I keep having to do this again. I did it once and then I had to get food or I didn't have enough food. I don't know if I can do it now, but... So there's no food over here, which is fine. Bats. Where are they? Where are they going? Oh, little rainbow. That's nice. Come over here. I need your feed. You're gonna feed me. Where are they going? No, I must catch. Come over here. I believe there are bats over here. Nope, just a very, very, very angry lizard. Okay. Run. No! Shoot! That's horribly bad. I have to work up again. Okay, this is really bad. Just died 2 times in a row. I need those bats to be over there this time. Please, bats. Wonderful, the bats aren't here. Okay. That's not good. That means there's a lizard out here. Come get me, I dare you. Wait, dude. What? Where's the bat going? I have to go so far for food. Come over here. I have to go get the food. Oh, that's not food. That is most certainly not food. I am never going that way again. Or maybe I am, I don't know. Oh, great, we're back here. There's not even any food. I know for a fact I can't get through here. I just need bats. But if I just... Oh, that's horribly bad. I hope you're the lizard that's over there. Oh, you're not. Wonderful. I'm eating this. I hope that's okay with you. I only gave one, which makes sense, I guess. There's 5 of them though. Now I just need a single bat. Care if there's lizards. But you know what there is also over here? Bats. I'm sorry, I keep thinking it's the rain because those things are... That's not good. Wait, it is grab one? I want one. Oh, that's not good. Get out of the... Oh, jeez. Ugh. Oh. Okay, that's good. So that's what the flower does. Please let there be bats. I just protected myself from an immediate horrible danger. Nope, there's not bats. Wonderful. Okay. not good. That means that there's a lizard over there. Because there is! I need the lizard! I need the bats! Please, I need you. Give me your bat cells. Oh, I got one. Oh, I missed. Oh, jeez. Eating this. Oh, God, that was close. Why didn't he fight? Oh, they're gonna fight each other again. I just love watching them just go head to toe, just borderline fighting each other, and that is horrible. The horribleness is definitely evident. Maybe they're just trying to get food too. Are these bats the only form of food that we have? I mean, it's some berries that are living. No, I wanted to grab it. I got one. Yes. Shoot. They borderline just. Oh! Fight each other! Fight each other! Fight each other! Fight each other! Oh jeez! I got the last bat that I needed. Fight each other! Oh jeez! I can do it! I mean, we're nowhere close to when storm starts and the rain does its thing. But whatever, I'm glad that I'm getting out of there because those things were giving me anxiety. Yeah, we don't want to get close. We were kind of close. We're exactly the closest, but you know, we thought. Yes, I know, but. And now we just need one more. Hopefully those bats are there, and then we can go do something. The red lizards are they fight so much. Nothing today. Again? I'm just gonna have to go back over there. There almost always are bats there. Which is fine. I mean, I can get the bats. They're just harder when they're in an open space. I mean, seeing I just did, and I showed you that I can do it, but. Yeah, so I know there's a bat. There's a thing there. So. Absolutely go that way. Hopefully I can jump over him. Oh, there's two of them. Okay, we're gonna go over here. If they want to come, they can, but I'm not going back over there. They're coming. Or one of them is. What are you doing? Oh, I got it. Oh, they're not here today? Where are they? Uh-oh. They followed me, didn't they? That's fine. That's fine. Everything's gonna be just fine. Please, please eat it. Just eat fast. Okay, we need one more. There's bats. No, come back. Oh, that's not good. Bats are going that way. Oh, good. That he's getting fought. Oh, he just got taken. Ah, that's. Please don't attack me. Come on. I got it. 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 Eat. Eat it. Okay. We are going back home. I know that you're dangerous. I'm not gonna be dealing with you. Instead, I'm gonna be dealing with going back home. You're so lucky. I need to get all 4 and then do that so that I can sleep until I get there. Because now that I know what you need to do, I'm gonna do that. So to wake up, I need to grab stuff. Oh, I wasn't even close that time. What's wrong with the quick ones I've done? Wonderful. It does get rid of all my favorites. That. Okay. I had a nice sleep. Better sleep than I've ever gotten. Now, I need to go back up to see if there are any bats. Please. Yes! Okay, there are bats this time. So I'm gonna catch all the bats that I need. Catch 4. And then, once I have those that I need, just barely. They trying to escape me. You shall not escape me. Because we're in easy at the moment. Oh, I got one. He tried to fall and then I caught it. Seriously? Yeah, I don't know. That was the Rock Brother ate. I thought it was part of a bat. Come on, guys. Could you at least give me a chance to catch more of you? Painted red. Oh, I got it. Yes. Keep struggling. I'm eating you. You can't tell me otherwise. Oh yeah, I'm eating you. Wait, oh, it's still tough. Okay. Now you're gonna go out into the world and just not die, because that's all you need to do right now. Because we have a high enough karma score and we can do everything. So this is gonna be dangerous. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't want to do that. It's scary. the green lizard over there. Because there's no pipes that, I mean there is pipes to jump on, but they're pipes that you can get to. Get down here, I dare you. This is the time where you can jump over stuff. Like, I just jumped over him, which I can do. What is he doing? No! Shoot. Okay, this is not good. I'm wasting time trying to get over there at least. I'm gonna get up there, because I've normally been going over there and then going through, but that's not the way we're gonna go today. No, no, no. They're gonna be over around, they're not, okay. I think they went over there in order to get like food and something. So yeah, we're over here, we're gonna get over here, we're gonna do all the things. So over here, I mean, now this depends. Is there a red lizard? No, there's a purple one. Which is also bad, but whatever, we gotta do what we gotta do. Now, I can normally outsmart them. Like, this thing, he's trying to get me from there. And the red lizard's over there. Okay, right. Oh, that's horribly bad. Now the red lizard's over there. Hey, Mr. Red Lizard. See, now they're gonna fight each other. Red lizards, they fight each other. Okay, it's coming after me. Run. I'm distracting it. What are you gonna do? Oh, I was so close.
Did you die?
Yeah, purple lizard got me.
What? Purple lizards? Are they even worse than the red ones?
No. But there's a red one chasing me. And then I tried to run and the purple one got me.
Hey, get over here, we what? Diggle, 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 diggle.
By the way, I'm making a video right now.
Pizza, pineapple, pizza.
I'm making a video right now.
I don't know.
Okay. Just so you know. I do need food, but I think if... Actually, no. I need to get food. Please, yes, okay. Don't jump. I need to do that again. No, I threw my spear in accident.
Oh.
Oh, come on. Oh, shoot. Come on. Hello. No, I got you. Grab. Oh, come on. Come on, I need one more. Come here. I need one more. Oh, come on. Oh, I got it. Yes. Okay. You're so sad. Why are you doing that? So sad. Now I'm gonna go out. I'm just gonna get one bat. I just need one bat. Or fruit or whatever I can get. Then I can get through the whole thing and be done with this thing. Taking a lot of cycles to do this. I'm sure I'll find a bat on the way there. Or I won't. And in that case, I'm going to go through here. In that case, there's also no bats in here. Oh, wonderful. It's already a green lizard. Okay. Cycle 15. Jeez. Catch it. Oh! Oh, that's not good. No, no! Okay, this is why we had extra. This is okay. This is fine.
Just did you know Among Us is having a TV show?
It is?
Yes.
Huh. Nothing okay.
Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh, that's not good. Oh, that's really bad. I'm just gonna run. Oh my goodness, it didn't see. Okay, I'm gonna need to lure it over here so that I know what else is there, because I know there's, oh god, there's the red lizard. What else we got? Come get me. Come on, red lizard, come get me. Yeah, come get me.
Yeah.
No, come over here. Come get me. Not that way. Come over here. Hey. Put a spear in your back. I put a spear in him. Oh jeez. I speared him. Oh jeez.
Why did you let me pull up the lens?
I even put a spear in him. Another one. I have a spear. I got me a spear. I know I can't, so I'm just gonna see. I don't think there is. Let's see. Nope. So, just going to go out and find bats. Maybe I want to kill a lizard. Hi, Mr. Wizard. You can't really kill two of them, though. Kiki, they're idiots. They don't understand my amazing plan.
It's 3. 3, right?
So why not? Oh, you went through my spear! Well...
5.
I didn't jump. Hi, I'm not here to hurt you. Yes! Yes! Okay. Oh, that's not good. Run! Jump! Guys! No! Lizard's coming! Why did you bring a lizard here? Oh great, there's 2 of them. What a wonderful surprise for all of you to come. Oh great, there's another one over there. I would love to put a spear in one of them. Or any of them for that matter. Jump, 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 jump. Great, they're following me. Run! It's fine. We're gonna be fine. Don't think they can follow me down. That's good. Because if they could, that would be bad. But, yeah, we need it. Then we can have enough, and then we can have an extra one. Did good. Ha! Okay. Today has started with me grabbing my spear. Spear. And I only have a spear for one reason. In case I need to fight lizards, in which case I probably will, because lizards, they're probably gonna attack me when I come up here. Once I get on the surface, they will attack me. Why are you here immediately? Why in the world are you here? Why did you come here immediately? I did have a purple lizard attacking me once. It was not enjoyable. Oh great, there's a red lizard. Hi, come down here and fight me. I really hope that thing gets distracted by our lizard. Great, the red lizard's the only one here, but run for your darn life. It's pretty much a race against time at this point. It's underneath me. It's not gonna get to me in time. Oh wait, I need food. Shoot, I didn't get food. It's fine, we're fine. It's fine. I'll have to find food. It'll be fine. wizards can't get me anymore. Okay, let's see. That's horribly bad. What? What is it? You a spirit? It's not a spirit. I did it! Yes! I'll get extra just in case. Because who knows? Popcorn. I guess you just need to pop it up with a spear. Which I don't think I had a spear last time. Okay, yes. Yes. Spear. I need this spear. Yes! Brother, I did it! Yes! We have done it. We're in another area. Okay, I think that's gonna finish off our video for today. So yeah, goodbye everybody. Goodbye.